Hi guys, what's up? Today, let's talk about a Qt Smart Pointer, QSharedPointer. QSharedPointer was introduced from Qt 4.5. It is very similar with standard shared pointer in C++. It's a Qt Smart Pointer wrapper and holds a shared pointer with an external reference count. It has lots of methods to encapsulate and expose raw pointer inside. So the pointer value is shared among all instances of QSharedPointer. But the contents of the object pointed to by the pointer should not be considered shared. There is only one object. It doesn't provide a way to detach or make copies of the pointed object, and it will delete the pointer when it goes out of scope. A QSharedPointer object can be created from a normal pointer or another QSharedPointer object, or by promoting a QWeakPointer object to a strong reference. We'll see the examples later in the video. Now let's discuss thread safety. All the functions in QSharedPointer class are reentrant. What does reentrant mean? When a class is called to be reentrant, if its member functions can be called safely from multiple threads, as long as each thread uses a different instance of the class. Different QSharedPointer objects can be accessed by multiple threads at the same time safely. This includes the case where they hold pointers to the same object. The reference counting mechanism is atomic, and no manual synchronization is required. But be careful, QSharedPointer doesn't guarantee about the object being pointed to. Again, we'll see the examples later. Now let's compare the difference between QPointer, QSharedPointer, and QWeakPointer. A QPointer can only point to QObject instance. It will be automatically set to null pointer if the pointed object is destroyed. It is a weak pointer specialized for QObject. A QSharedPointer is a reference-counted pointer. The actual object will only be deleted when all shared pointers are destroyed. It is equivalent to standard shared pointer. As long as there is a shared pointer, the object is not deleted. Now let's see a QWeakPointer. It can hold a weak reference to a shared pointer. It will not prevent the object from being destroyed, and is simply reset. It is equivalent to standard weak pointer. To use a weak pointer, you must convert it to a QSharedPointer. Now let's move on to the examples. After creating the project, we do some includes. Then we create a normal QObject class with a constructor and its destructor. Now let's see an example of QPointer. First, we create a pointer of my class with parameter QPointer. Then we create a QPointer point to my object. After that, we delete the raw pointer. At the same time, its QPointer also automatically set to null pointer. Now let's look at the example of QSharedPointer. After creating an object pointer, we created two QSharedPointer, PTR1 and PTR2. After calling clear of PTR1, PTR2 is still pointing to the object, so it is not deleted. But after calling PTR2 of clear, since there is no shared pointer anymore, the object is being deleted. Note that if there is a shared pointer, the object won't be deleted. Now let's move on to the QWeakPointer. To use the weak pointer, we must lock it for use. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.